ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, I want to point on what we have been discussing about this flat. Okay, since we get this down move, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, I point on this. I mentioned what we have here is a flat. We can expect the price to drop, and exactly this is what we get. Even in my last analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for buy. And but beside that, we point on that we need to be, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the trade set up because of this, of the possibility the price can drop. And exactly this is what happened. And even we mentioned how we can look for a trade for buy. We didn't get any trade set up for buy. And even if we refer to forward chart, we have been looking for this. All right. Now this is what we get. That's why every time I mention of the all when we want to trade, we need to know all the possibility we can look for. Then from there, when we see the difference, I mean, when we see the chart is like 10, what we expecting is not moving, then we know what's the next, what's the second, the option. Because we have been looking for buy here. We mentioned that we can look for this as a flat for one more drop. This is what we have been looking for. Okay. But we get the correction here. That's why we mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to get the trade set up because we knew about this. There was no trade set up. It's good for us. We didn't take the trade. Now we can look for buy because we mentioned if the price give us a flat for one more drop, any reversal, we can look for buy. But if anyone bought here without having a trade set up, they bought within this, they couldn't manage. This is what they get. That's why every times we mention about the different possibility, either the price is going to drop or not. Okay, no, the structurally, any reversal from here, we can look for buy. Okay, because we confirm almost this flat, give us one more drop. The only times we cannot look for buy if we get a correction here, but we know if we get any reversal with the flag, we take the trade with the breakout above this, we start to manage. Okay, anyway, we move to higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, we mentioned that the price broke the previous top. For continuation, we need to get the trade set up. Now we want to see the question, how complex can be? All right, can we expect this one turn to deeper correction similar to what we have here for this flat? It can be an option, but we are not looking for. The only thing is we need to know about this. And if we want to get any trade set up from here, if this is not moving, we need to know this one can turn to deeper correction similar to any of this one. Okay, by the way, we move to forward chart, how we can trade based on forward chart. We're looking for the reversal. Even if in our analysis, we have been talking about this in my last video. Okay, for one more drop. And now what we have the flat in relative to this. Any reversal from here with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. But we want to see whether we get the reversal or not. We get the buy setup or not. Okay, right now based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And how about if I move to 1 hour chart? Any continuation with the flag, we take the trade. With the breakout of the top, we start to manage. But what we want, sharp move. If this one, we get the trade, we see it's not moving as a sharp, we don't stay with the trade. If this one turns to a corrective move, we don't take the trade. We just wait because mostly correction can give us a continuation because this one is really sharp. Okay. Anyway, if we're looking for the reversal, even we get this shadow, any reversal, any short move with the flag, we take the trade. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.